Winter is steadily coming upon us, and in this time, it's important to keep your vitamin C up. It has a lot of benefits, such as keeping you from getting sick, and it helps stave off a bit of the seasonal depression you can get in the wintertime. The way I like to keep my vitamin C up is by squeezing some fresh juice at home. And there are a lot of misconceptions about it. I know every time I tell my friends that there's a trick to it, they say, don't you just take a fruit and squeeze it? But it is a little trickier than that. So today I'm going to show you the proper way to squeeze juice at home. I say all this, but it really is quite easy to squeeze your own juice, even if it is a little bit trickier sometimes. What you're going to need is your glass, and then go ahead and take your fruit of choice. I'm choosing to squeeze some cran raspberry. And then just poke a little hole in the squeeze hole, and then just squeeze that bitch into a cup. A lot of people get disheartened about how many boxes of juice it takes to squeeze a full glass, but don't get discouraged. Sure, it may take a minute, but it'll be well worth it in the end. After you've squeezed a few juice boxes, then you're all set. You can keep going and fill a pitcher, or if you just want a single glass each morning, this'll do ya. Thanks so much for watching, and tell me what your juice recipes are.